Discovering dinosaurs. Finding fossils. How do we know dinosaurs lived on Earth? Scientists called paleontologists discover fossils in rocks all over the world. Studying fossils helps them learn about dinosaurs, including what they looked like, where they lived, and what they ate. Bone fossils start to form after the death of a dinosaur. Over layers of mud, sand, or dirt cover the remains of the dead dinosaur. Once discovered, once covered, the bones are protected from scavengers as well as rain and other weather conditions. They remain underground until they are discovered millions of years later. Sometimes the dinosaurs' bones have turned to stone. In other cases, hard mud surrounds the bones, but the bones have actually decayed. Paleontologists can study the spaces where the bones used to be. They can then recreate the, the bones based on the shapes of the species left behind. Paleontologists have found many different types of dinosaur fossils, including bones, footprints, teeth, nests, and eggs. These paleontologists are excava- paleontologists are excavating or carefully digging bone fossils out of the ground. After recording information about them, the paleontologists will, will wrap the fossils to keep them safe. Then they will take the fossils to a museum where they will examine examine them. Paleontologists will study different features of the fossils such as their shape and color. They they consider where the fossils were discovered and how deep underground they were discovered. By comparing their finds to other fossils, paleontologists try to figure out what type of dinosaur they have discovered. Sometimes they can fit bone fossils together to form a complete skeleton. However, it's rare that a complete skeleton is found together or can be put together over time. Most dinosaurs had hundreds of bones, so it is difficult to find all of them. Scientists use other dinosaur skeletons as models for the ones they are trying to put together. Learning from fossils. Paleontologists use many other types of animal skeletons to help them learn about dinosaur skeletons. Although dinosaurs are extinct, many animals alive today share certain character, characteristics with them. Some dinosaur bones may be bigger than those of animals alive today. However, the shapes of certain bones and the way their bones fit together are sometimes related. Many different types of dinosaurs once roamed Earth. Paleontologists study fossils to learn how dinosaurs moved around. Some dinosaurs walked on two or four legs, and some used wings to fly. As dinosaurs moved around Earth, they left tracks behind in mud. Paleontologists study fossil footprints to learn how fast or slow dinosaurs moved. Footprints also give paleontologists clues about how big or small the dinosaur leaving the tracks might have been. Paleontologists study fossil teeth to learn about what dinosaurs ate. Then a dinosaur grew new teeth to replace those they had burned down or lost. Carnivores often had sharp teeth that helped them cut through meat. Some of their teeth were even strong enough to crush bone. Herbivores. Herbivores usually had sharp beaks that they used to gather plants. Some also had flat teeth to grind tougher plant materials, while others had sharper teeth for chopping their food. Still other dinosaurs had both flat and sharp teeth. Paleontologists learned about dinosaur babies from fossil nests and eggs. Dinosaur eggs came in many different shapes and sizes, including small round eggs and large oval eggs. Some dinosaurs laid over 20 eggs at a time, while others laid only a few eggs. Similar to birds, some dinosaurs may have sat on their nests until their eggs hatched. Paleontologists find fossils of plants, fish, insects, and other animals in the same rocks as dinosaur fossils. These fossils help them learn what Earth was like when dinosaurs lived here. More examples of these other types of fossils have been discovered than dinosaur fossils. These fossils are usually smaller and more complete than dinosaur fossils. Therefore, paleontologists can more easily tell the age of these other fossils. They are then able to use the fossils to estimate the age of dinosaur fossils. How long ago? Paleontologists can perform tests to find out the age of fossils. Older fossils are found deeper in the ground than newer fossils. More recent fossils are found in rocks closer to the surface. The oldest dinosaurs lived around 230 million years ago. These dinosaurs were only the size of large dogs. It wasn't until around 145 million years ago that giant dinosaurs roamed on Earth. Paleontologists have many different ideas to explain how dinosaurs disappeared around 65 million years ago. Studying dinosaur fossils helps paleontologists look for clues to understand what happened.